The Poco F7 series global launch is reportedly set to take place on March 27. Now Poco F7 Pro and F7 Ultra image leaks. The Poco F7 Ultra be a rebranded version of the Redmi K80 Pro. Poco F7 Ultra is available in Obsidian Black, Snow White, Mountain Green. Amazon listing Poco F7 Ultra model starting at €750 and reaching nearly €800. Poco F7 Ultra features a 6.67-inch TCL M9 OLED 2K display with a 3200 by 1440 resolution, 120Hz LTPS refresh rate, 12-bit color depth, and 3200 nits peak brightness. Poco F7 Ultra powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor built on a 3nm process with a 45% CPU and 44% GPU performance boost. With up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB storage UFS 4.0. Now seems to have run Geekbench AI with the model number 24122 RKC7G. Poco F7 Ultra come with triple camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 32MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP floating telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and 20MP front camera. Poco F7 Ultra has a 6000 mAh battery with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.